Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the Euro US dollar, I still believe that this is going to continue to grow into a trend. I think it's going to end up looking something like that, probably taking out these highs. And I think it's either going to be a big wave A or possibly a big wave 1. Either scenario, whether it's an A or 1, definitely doesn't matter to us because we're going to be looking for longs either way. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you can start to see the higher highs, higher lows this whole way up. I think it's a 1. I still think this is a corrective wave 2, and I still believe we're in a wave 3. We just recently had a break of structure, which is probably why we've been in such a big, drawn-out pullback. But I still think that even if it does go down, it's just going to be a crescent to the uptrend, and it's just going to continue on up and make a 3, 4, 5, most likely taking out these highs. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, we had that break of structure and then we had a pullback. We never made any new low. We still are making higher lows this whole way up. Definitely still in a trend. I still believe it's a big wave 3 and I still don't see any reason to think it's over. Telling me that I'm just going to continue to look for longs and shorter time frames at the end of any pullbacks that I may see. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we got a nice big impulsive down. I think that's a wave A. I still think this is probably a wave B, and this does look to be like a wave C. So I see 3 waves down right to the 61% Fibonacci level, while the higher time frames are telling me that the trend is most likely up. That tells me that most likely this is just going to keep on trending up. Now, I do think there's a good chance that we will get a pullback. Maybe even could end up being a pretty good size pullback, but I still think that it will continue to make those higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, I do see that we're in a pullback right now, but I don't see any evidence that this uptrend is over on the higher time frames. And I do see a little bit of a 3-way pattern right there. So if this does continue to maintain momentum, I would say that that may be already the end of a crescent. Like I said, all the higher time frames are telling me the trend is up, so shorter time frames are just going to continue to look for 3-way pullbacks for entries to go long for the continuation of what I think is a big wave 3 on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.